Welcome to the West Virginia power plant, optimized for the modern energy landscape. The biggest advantage of this system is simple. We do not replace the existing power plant. Instead, PHIMS and supercapacitor technology are integrated directly into the current infrastructure to improve efficiency, response time, and profitability. At the center remains the existing natural gas power plant, including combustion turbines, steam turbines, boilers, and fuel systems. These components continue performing reliable baseline power generation. By keeping the existing plant intact, utilities avoid massive capital costs and minimize installation downtime. So what changes? We add a large-scale supercapacitor storage facility. Unlike traditional batteries, supercapacitors charge and discharge almost instantly. They act as an ultra-fast energy buffer for the electrical grid. During the day, the supercapacitors absorb low-cost excess electricity from solar, grid surplus, and off-peak generation. During peak demand, they instantly discharge stored energy back into the system, delivering power exactly when the grid needs it most. This supports peak shaving, frequency regulation, voltage stabilization, and rapid response power support. Most importantly, it removes stressful rapid cycling from the main turbines. The intelligent brain behind this system is PHIMS, the Power Hybrid Integrated Management System. PHIMS continuously monitors grid conditions, market demand, energy pricing, and system load requirements. When sudden demand appears, PHIMS instantly activates the supercapacitor system to deliver high power immediately, preventing inefficient turbine ramp-up. This allows the plant to operate closer to efficient average demand instead of maximum peak demand all the time. The result is more power when needed, reduced fuel consumption, lower emissions, improved grid stability, and smarter energy management. PHIMS plus supercapacitors represent a cleaner, faster, and more efficient future for West Virginia energy. From power plant to you, smarter, cleaner, more efficient. For over 100 years, the electrical grid has worked the same way. Power plants generate electricity, transformers step the voltage up and down, and transmission lines carry power across long distances to homes and businesses. But along this journey, a large amount of energy is lost as heat. Today, traditional power systems can lose up to 60% of fuel energy at the power plant itself, plus additional losses through transformers, transmission lines, substations, and neighborhood distribution systems. That means only a small portion of the original energy source becomes useful electricity for the customer. PHIMS and supercapacitor technology changed this model. Instead of replacing the entire power plant, PHIMS works with existing systems to intelligently manage power demand, stabilize loads instantly, and reduce stress on generators and infrastructure. A supercapacitor bank stores energy for sudden high-power demand, while PHIMS delivers instant response for peak loads, startup surges, and grid stabilization. This allows smaller generators to perform like much larger systems while using significantly less fuel. The result is lower fuel consumption, reduced emissions, less wasted heat, improved grid stability, faster response to power demand, longer equipment life. From the power plant, through transmission lines, through substations and neighborhood transformers, all the way to your home. PHIMS helps deliver smarter, cleaner, and more efficient electricity. This technology can modernize existing power plants without rebuilding the entire grid infrastructure. West Virginia powered America in the past. Now with PHIMS and advanced supercapacitor systems, West Virginia can help power the future. www.amtwv.net.
PHIMS was developed right here in West Virginia, built on decades of engineering, innovation, and real-world experience.
Thank you for your support of PHIMS, the Power Hybrid Integrated Management System. Together, we are working toward a smarter, cleaner, and more efficient energy future. We would like to thank the public and local communities, energy industries including coal, oil, and natural gas, and our partners, investors, engineers, and innovators who believe in building a better future together. PHIMS is designed to help modernize energy systems by delivering more power, using less fuel, for a better future. By improving efficiency and reducing wasted energy, PHIMS can help strengthen industry, support economic growth, and create cleaner, more reliable power for future generations. West Virginia has powered America for generations. Now, new technology can help West Virginia lead again. Thank you for believing in innovation, American energy, and the future of intelligent power management. To learn more, please visit www.amtwv.net or contact us at dan@amtwv.net.